To start using the online portal so that your patients can access their appointment schedule and visit documents, you'll need to configure your portal and make it available online. First, make sure you've created all of the visit types you'd like to offer for online scheduling. To view all your visit types, go to Admin, General Settings, and select the Schedule tab. If you need to add a visit type, see the configuration video on Schedule settings. Next, configure the style and content of your portal. Mouse over Tools from any page and click PatientPro. Here you can change the look of your portal, add provider bios for patients to view, and find the code to embed the portal into your practice's website. The first section, Portal Style, allows you to change the color, size, fonts, and header image of your portal. You can include a header image above the portal with your practice's name, logo, and other information. If you want, this can be the same image that you use at the top of your Office Pro documents. You can also change the size, colors, and fonts of the portal from here. The next section, Embed the Portal, gives you the HTML code to place the portal directly into your practice's website. This code can be pasted into the program you use to edit your website, whether it's Weebly, Dreamweaver, or anything that uses HTML code. The Providers section lets you edit the information that's displayed in the portal about your providers, including contact information, photos, provider bios, and information about their accomplishments and practice approach in the Philosophy section. You can also view and edit this information from the Providers list in the Admin General Settings area. The Scheduling area allows you to turn visit types off and on for scheduling in the portal, and edit their price, duration, and other attributes. Visit types that are enabled for portal access show up in color. Types that are turned off for the portal show up as gray. When you click the button to turn a visit type off or on, the Edit Visit Type window pops up, allowing you to review and edit the visit type's properties. The first tab allows you to change its name, duration, assign default services, or move it to a different category of visits. The second tab allows you to make it available online, give it a price and description to show to patients, and select providers and rooms available for this visit type. If you select more than one provider for a visit type, patients will be able to choose which provider they want to see for their appointment. You must choose at least one provider and one room for each type. The last section, Embed Links and Buttons, allows you to add specific scheduling buttons to your website. You can use these links throughout your web presence and emails to offer online scheduling to your patients. The provider-specific buttons take patients directly to the scheduling portal with a provider already selected. The type-specific scheduling buttons will give you a link for each visit type that you offer online. The General Scheduling button will take patients directly to the scheduling portal and allow them to select a provider. You can put these buttons anywhere on your website to help direct patients to the scheduling portal from your homepage, provider information page, or anywhere else you want. Once you've finished modifying your settings, click Save Portal Settings at the bottom of the page. That's wrong. You can view your portal from Office Pro to make sure it's set up the way you want it and working correctly. At the top right of any page, next to your practice and username, click the tiny icon that looks like a calendar page. This opens an intake kiosk that you can provide to a patient on a tablet or office computer so they can select their doctor and complete their intake form. Or, click the icon next to it that looks like a tiny person. This will open the portal as your patients see it, starting with the login page, so that you can preview and test it. You can schedule appointments, register and log in, complete intake forms, and view visit documents just like your patients will be able to do. You may find it useful to create a test patient account with your email address so that you can sign into the portal and check that your settings are working properly. If you want to change any of your portal settings, go back to Tools, PatientPro. Once your portal is set up for patient access and online scheduling, you can also add more features to it. Go to Tools, PatientPro to open your additional portal settings, and click on Portal Features. If you turn on Providers, patients will be able to go to individual provider pages to view provider bios, philosophies, and photos. They can schedule a visit directly from the provider of their choice. If you turn on History, patients can view their past and upcoming appointments. If you turn on Documents, they can view and download their treatment plans, encounter receipts, and any other documents that you have enabled for portal access. To check which documents are enabled for portal access, go to Admin, General Settings, and select the Documents tab. If you turn on Uploads, patients will be able to upload documents such as insurance cards, signed and scanned forms, or symptom journals. Lastly, if you want to display a standard disclaimer or terms and conditions statement to patients viewing the portal, you can enter those here. Remember to click Save Your Portal Settings when you're done. Now that your portal is configured, patients can start using it.